You may have heard Tony Robbins or Jim Rohn, two extremely successful performance coaches, say, "Success leaves clues." I will share with you 10 valuable lessons you can learn working for the richest people in the world. If you're looking to get out of the 9-to-5 lifestyle and become financially independent, subscribe to my channel and leave a comment saying I subscribed, and I will personally reply to your comment. Also, if you want to learn how to make $3,000 a week on YouTube without ever having to film yourself, sign up for a free masterclass by clicking the first link below this video. Number 10. The 50-30-20 Rule. If you're often going broke before you receive your next paycheck, try this rule. Your personal budget should be divided into 3 categories. The first category is living essentials. 50% should be allocated for monthly expenses such as rent, transportation, utilities, groceries, etc. In the second category is wants, so you can spend 30% of your income on things that make you happy, so entertainment, shopping, hobbies, and everything else. The last category is savings and investments. 20% of your money should be saved and invested into 401k and global index funds. Put your saved money into secured, sacred, untouchable accounts. Never use these accounts for anything, not even an emergency. To this day, at least twice a year, I'm broke because I always invest my surpluses into ventures I cannot access. Grant Cardone. Number 9. The more you give, the more you receive. Clearly, it's not the kind of advice you expect to get from millionaires, but we all can agree that this way of shopping can save some money. This rule applies to the products you'll use and won't waste. It's so hard to make a return on investment that you're better off buying 2 years' worth of toothpaste when it's on a 50% discount. There's an immediate return on your money. That's real savings that you get to put in your pocket. Number 8. Don't be afraid to fail. Henry Ford built a company. It bankrupted. He built another one. It bankrupted. Never be afraid to try again because of past failures. Remember that you make mistakes. Mistakes don't make you. Number 7. Readers are leaders. Do you know how many books the average person reads per year? The answer is 2 or 3 per year. Now, how many books do you think an average CEO reads per year? The average CEO is reading 52 books per year. That's 1 book a week. You probably think that it takes a lot of time to read 1 book per week. I went to Amazon and looked at the median average number of words per book, and it came out to about 64,000 words. So, let's say that the average person reads 200 words per minute. That means it takes about 320 minutes to get through a book, which is about 45 minutes a day to read 1 book per week. If you have not read Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, then you should click the link in the description and order the physical copy on Amazon. Number 6. Not spending money is the same as making money. The less money you spend, the more you have. It's an obvious conclusion. Impulse spending is the enemy of saving money, and unfortunately, the more money you save and have available for spending, the harder it becomes to say no to buying something you want. The 30-day rule is made to protect you from impulse spending. Every time you want to buy something that you didn't include in your budget, force yourself to wait 30 days before buying it. This does 2 things. First of all, it keeps you from making an emotional purchase. Second of all, it allows you the opportunity to work it into the following month's budget if you still want it after waiting 30 days. Number 5. Live below your means. The biggest problem of many people is that they spend more than they earn. The only way you can increase your capital is by living below your means. To help you live below your means, you can use the 50-30-20 rule. I didn't buy my first luxury watch or car until my businesses and investments were producing multiple secure flows of income. I was still driving a Toyota Camry when I became a millionaire. Be known for your work ethic, not the trinkets that you buy. Grant Cardone. Number 4. Invest in assets. Most people do that results in them never getting rich is hard working for every dollar. In this case, their time equals their money. Do you know millionaires who earn money just by spending time at work? Of course not. They get their money to work for them. Time is more valuable than money. That is why building multiple passive income streams is necessary for becoming financially free. Can you save $1 million? You can, but you have to be really disciplined. You also have to be a little bit of a risk taker. Part of the risk is maybe putting money into a low-cost mutual fund. Mark Cuban. Number 3. Surround yourself with successful people. The idea is easily explained by how much people around you influence your life and your mindset. If you get along with talented people who share your vision, it's easier to generate creative ideas and bring them to life. Be around people who inspire you and encourage you to take action and make your dream bigger. Show me your friends and I will show you your future. Dan Penna. Number 2. Money isn't everything. Money is a significant factor in our lives. It defines where we live, what we eat, and what we possess. But money isn't everything. You can buy a house, but not a home. You can buy a watch, but not time. With money, you can buy a bed, but not sleep. You can buy a good doctor, but not good health. With money, you can have insurance, but not safety. And these problems we all have, including millionaires. There are many things you can't buy with money. Money will not solve all your problems, but it will solve your financial problems, like paying the bills. Number 1. Learn high-income skills. A high-income skill is a skill that can make you a minimum of $10,000 per month, which is a healthy six-figure income. A high-income skill is a skill that delivers value to the marketplace that you can charge a lot of money to offer. Learning a skill that allows you to sell a high-demand service that solves people's problems is a crucial factor that makes you valuable in your desired market. Once you master a high-income skill, you have the right to charge higher service fees from your clients. You make money when you add value and solve problems. When you can make a business or person more money, you can charge more money. If you want to learn how to develop high-income skills, click the card in the top right corner. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment saying, "I subscribed," and I will personally reply to your comment. If you want to learn how to make $3,000 a week on YouTube without ever having to film yourself, sign up for a free masterclass by clicking the first link under this video.